Now we should know that apart from our personal efforts and efforts of the society, whatever the government is doing, we also should undertake steps. The government agencies take care of the forest and animals. The government lays down rules, methods and policies to protect and conserve them. You all read about this, you have read it everywhere. But what is actually happening? The actual happening is that no, there is no ownership. A person who's, as a human being, as an individual, what we are doing. The government makes rules, methods and policies to protect and conserve these habitats. The wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, biosphere reserves, they are protected areas. You must have heard about wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves. They are areas which are selected by the government and they are called the protected areas for conservation of plants and animals present in that area. So a wildlife sanctuary, now all the three are not of same size. One of them will be bigger, one of them will be smaller, but they are special areas where plants and animals are kept protected from each other. To protect our flora and fauna, flora means the plants, fauna means the animals. So when we want to protect our plants and animals and their habitats, the place of living, protected areas called sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves have been marked. So there are different parts of, not only in India but every country, they have marked places where the animals and the plants who are living in that, growing in that area, they are protected. Plantation, cultivation, grazing, cutting of trees, hunting and poaching are prohibited there. So you know that what is a national park, what is a sanctuary. The activities mentioned here, you can't plant anything, you can't cut anything, you can't grow anything. Hunting and poaching, killing the animals for fun is strictly prohibited. The definition of sanctuary is mentioned here, areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. So what do you think a sanctuary will do? A sanctuary can be a sanctuary for animals, it could be a sanctuary of birds. So it is a place where the animals are kept protected. So when animals will be protected, when no one will hunt, then the population of the animals will increase. So the question arises, why do we want to protect the animals? Why should we protect the animals? This is a step which has been taken care in the few 30-40 years. Before that there were no sanctuaries. 100 years ago there were no sanctuaries. There were no national parks. So why did the human beings think about making a sanctuary or a national park? Is it really important? What is the importance? You have